Send thousands of TikTok messages automatically with a single click. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to automatically scan TikTok usernames and send bulk messages using MKT TikPro. Next, we'll scan TikTok usernames based on keywords or target profiles. For example, you can type keywords like makeup, fashion, or even scrape all followers of a competitor's channel. The software will automatically collect usernames, IDs, and profile links, giving you a clean, targeted customer list in seconds. Once the scan is done, simply export your username list. You can use the file you just scanned or import your own customer data if you already have one. Now, let's go to the viral marketing section and select Send Messages. Next, paste the TikTok user IDs that you've just scanned into the software. You can create multiple message templates, add emojis, hashtags, or even use spin content to make your messages more diverse and unique. This helps your account behave naturally, just like a real human user. Finally, let's set up the automation. Choose how many messages each account should send, set a delay between messages, and enable random sending if you want, then hit Start. MKT TikPro will automatically log into your accounts and send messages to the list you scanned. As you can see, dozens of messages are sent successfully in just a few minutes, reaching your ideal TikTok audience automatically. So, with just a few simple steps, you can now scan TikTok usernames and send bulk messages automatically with MKT TikPro. This tool helps you save hours of manual work and skyrocket your sales on TikTok. If you'd like to try it out right now, leave a comment or message me using the contact info below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials on automated marketing tools.